Finally, exam seasons are over. My brain officially fried, so it's time to go home. So let's pack up and disappear. We had our train at 6:20 a.m., so come with us on a 6 hours of train journey. Looking out the window like I'm in a sad movie, but plot twist, I'm just tired. I usually sleep during my journey, but today I don't know what got me. नींद ही नहीं आ रहा था, so yeah. On the train now, just me and my anxiety and 400 strangers. No academic stress, no adulting for 1 month. I'm so happy, yay! Am I home or in a new city? ये सब ओवर ब्रिज कब बन गया भाई? इतना अनफेमिलियर लग रहा है. Home vlogs coming soon.